Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is my second last video in the September series. Today's video is going to be a monthly favorites. So I'm going to talk about all the skincare and makeup products that I have enjoyed quite a lot and have used almost every single day. This is very bittersweet because I have really enjoyed making a video every single day this month, and I think to begin this monthly favorite, I would like to say that September has been one of the favorite thing about September for me. I feel like I have truly put in a lot of effort, a lot of sleepless night into making sure that I do have a video every day. And at the beginning of the month, I was so scared that I would not be able to do it given my schedule, but I did manage to put up a video every day. So I think that's what my number one favorite would be this month. Now let's get started with the skincare and makeup favorites. For skincare, the one thing that I've been using almost every single day is my FOREO Luna Mini 2. Now this is a facial cleanser. Basically you press it on like this and it starts vibrating. So it has T-sonic pulsations and it has these silicone based bristles. It is very ergonomically shaped and you can use both the sides. So what it does is that it helps in gently exfoliating your skin. It also helps in removing any makeup residue, any dirt, oil, and because it really helps in cleaning your skin so well, it helps in keeping acne at bay. So I have really enjoyed using this. From the state of it, I think you can tell that I've been using this quite a lot. I need to clean this. There is some face wash in it but also it is very easy to charge. Like I think I charged this last when I was in Vietnam, which was I think in August, and I haven't charged it yet. So you charge it once, it comes with this charger, you plug it in here, and then you can just put it into your laptop. I like to put it onto my laptop, and you just charge it once, and I think I remember charging it for like 15 minutes. So it does last you for quite some time. So it has bristles on both the sides, so you can use this on either side, and you can even use this like on the other parts of your body, like if you want to massage like your neck area or anything, you could do that. So I have really enjoyed using this. Talking about skincare, the next product is not going to be a surprise because I feel like I have talked so much about it. This is the Innisfree Wine Peeling Jelly Softener. Basically it is a cellulose based skin exfoliator, and how you use it is by pouring it onto a cotton pad and then gently swiping it all over your face, and it just lifts any excess dead skin cells and it makes your skin extremely baby soft. And this is something again which has really helped in keeping my skin clean this month. I feel like I'm going to show a lot of skin cleansing products. The next one is this from Etude House. This is their Monster Oil in Cleansing Water, and as you can tell from the state of the bottle, I have used this quite a lot, and this is such a powerful makeup remover. It just removes everything. I really enjoyed using this. Next, for skincare, I have been loving this body cleanser from Kiehl. This is their Vetiver and black tea. The only reason I love this is because of the fragrance. I want to bottle this and like ask them to make this into some kind of a perfume because it smells so good. Even if you don't buy this, just go to a Kiehl store, go and smell the Vetiver and black tea body cleanser and tell me what do you think of it. I just find it so nice. I love the smell of this, which is why this is my favorite, and which is why I have been reaching out to this almost every single day this month. It's almost quarter way down, and I think I'm gonna use this till the last squeeze. Speaking about perfumes, I have been loving this Zara perfume. This is the Zara Tuberose perfume. I think it's still available in stores. You also get like a mini size, and this is the 100 ml one. I have talked about this in my top 5 perfume video, so I would not spend too much time talking about it, and you guys can go watch that video. Moving on to makeup, let's talk about this mascara that I have been raving quite a lot about. This is from MAC. This is their Up For Everything Lash. Okay, fair warning, this is a very clumpy, spidery mascara, and for those of you who do not like mascaras that are very heavy and very clumpy and thick on your eyelashes, then you will not like this, and I'm giving you a warning. But I love lashes that are like extra thick. I really like that clumpy, spidery look on my eyelashes, and that's just like my personal preference. I feel like mascara is very subjective, just like lipsticks, and I feel like a lot of us have like different points of view and different choices when it comes to mascara. So for me, this has been working so well, and I have been wearing this very often. The only problem with this is that it is a pain to remove. It at least takes me 3 to 4 days to remove this properly out of my eyes, and that, to be honest, is a little bit annoying, and I do not like that about it because it is so sticky. But otherwise, I've been really liking this mascara. Next, I have been loving this highlighter from Maybelline. This is their Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. It is so pigmented. You can actually use this as an eyeshadow as well. I really like this. It's so pigmented, it's so bright, and it's so on your face. And this golden bronzy shade I think works well with all kinds of skin tone. I've spoken quite a lot about this, so I'm going to stop talking about it and just mention it here. Next, I have also been loving this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow from Kiehl. This is their Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Golden Gemma. I have been wearing this a lot, almost every single day this month. It just gives this very natural, glittery, wearable sort of a look, and I am definitely purchasing like more shades out of these. I have already done a tutorial using this. I'm gonna link it down below in case you haven't watched it, and it just looks really nice. It's very long lasting, it sets very quickly, and yeah, I really like it. Next, for lipstick, I have been wearing these two very often this month. Both of them are very similar shades. Honestly, if you like look at the pencils together, it seems like I'm holding like two of the same pencils, but they are slightly different. The one on the top is Spiced Latte, and the one on the bottom is Pink Love. Both of them are very nude lipsticks, and you know I love wearing nude lipsticks on an everyday basis. So these are the two lipsticks that I've been wearing very often. And lastly, I have a very random favorite. It's something that you must have seen me wear quite a lot this month. It's actually contact lenses, and honestly, I am blind AF, and I never find contact lenses that are of my power. And I finally found one, and a color that actually looks very natural and wearable, and it just like enhances my makeup look, and I've like really enjoyed wearing it. Like, I've never worn colored lenses that were actually my power and that I can like walk out of the house with, so I got so excited. So this is the Bausch & Lomb Lancel Circle lenses. This is in the shade Grey, and they are super comfortable. These are the monthly lenses, so they're like 30 days and then you just chuck them. And I have two different boxes because I have two different powers in my eyes, and these are the one that comes in pairs. So I have one extra pair of each power. And yeah, so these are going to last me for quite some time. Like, I'm already wearing this for a month, and I'm going to toss them out, and then I'm going to wear this. So one box for me is lasting like 2 months, and they are actually very comfortable. I've heard like horror stories when it came to like wearing contact lenses that are colored, like they are very drying on the eye, and it like just makes your eyes feel like you have sand in them by the end of the day. But for me, these are so comfortable. I remember like wearing it for like a 6 hours journey, and I still didn't feel like I was wearing contact lenses. But yeah, I really have been enjoying wearing them. So those were all of my favorite products this month, things that I have been using almost every single day. And that's all for the second last day of September. I am so sad that this is getting over, but I think we are going to do some more stuff, I guess, in October. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's all from me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.